Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. As many of you may know, I've got a Samsung KS8000 65-inch TV, and previously I would do quite a lot of the calibration settings for the latest updates. And now I'm sure some of you over the last few months, probably longer, are wondering why I haven't done any of these updates. And there's a simple reason behind that, is that for whatever reason, even though my TV is set to automatic updates are set to off, excuse me, I've got a really itchy nose, automatic updates set to off, it still automatically updates. And I know there's been a few of you out there that had the same issue. And the problem is, I then can't do these comparative reviews between the prior software version and the current one, which is incredibly annoying because for me personally, I can't see predominantly what's changed, and for you guys in terms of me providing the videos that I would normally do. So needless to say, there is a new update that has just been released a couple of weeks ago, and my TV updated itself, even though I've got it set to auto updates set to off. I've tried completely resetting my TV. I've tried all that, and despite that and turning auto updates off, it will look for the update, say there is one, and then it will say okay or cancel, and then a couple of days later it will just say update 12, like for instance 1241.5, your TV has been updated to 1241.5, and it was like, well, I didn't ask it to be updated. So I don't know what's going on. So it does cause a problem for me doing those comparative videos. What I will do is my TV just today updated itself. I don't know why. I didn't want it to do that because I wanted to do one of those comparative reviews. What I will do, however, is provide some new calibration settings for this current update, and I'll have them to you. I'll see how I get on with the TV over the next few days and the weekend coming up, and then next week I will provide some calibration settings for you guys. But do any of you have this update issue where you're saying I don't want automatic updates, but then the TV turns around and says, I kind of done it already, thanks? We don't want that. I don't want that. I want to see what it is now, record it, and then update it manually, preferably, and then see the differences. But right now I can't record what it was like before because it's already updated itself. Thanks, Samsung. Thanks. So, yeah, I'll be doing those calibration settings. Let me live with the TV with the current update for a few days, and I'll get those to you next week. In the meantime, subscribe, click the bell, because you'll want to click the bell to be alerted when there's a video. And give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on this auto update nonsense. Thanks again. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.